Indicators here. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's see here. So we started with a nice run up since probably about 11:20 that our Maverick AI Pro just beautifully illustrated. Let me zoom in here. You went from all this, this was just terrible chop all morning long. And then you had a nice reversal candle right here. You broke above your Maverick guide, which is the blue line, right? Above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below it, we go short. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below it, we go short. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below the blue line, we go short. Okay, so nice and simple and easy. You had a lot of chop out of the open. Fridays can be like that, right? And then we just had a reversal candle right here. And you started getting green candles and then bright green candles, okay? Bright green candles are your strongest upside candle. And look at these confidence arrows right here. It just pushed all the way up. And this was such a beautiful trend. By the way, or such a beautiful trade. So you're above the Maverick guide, you have a green background, and you have bright green candles. Your Maverick trender totally told you about this. I mean, look at this flat top here. If you would have taken it from the bottom of the Maverick trender up to about here, I probably would have gotten out when I started to get a gray candle here, but you're looking at 72 up to, oh my gosh, what a monster move. 72 to 36. So what is that? 72 to 36. That would be, how many ticks would that be? That'd be 60. That was a 64-point move. Whoop, how did I get that? 64 times 4 ticks times $12.50. It's a $3,200 move, folks. This is a $3,200 move from the top of the Maverick trender to the other top. That's crazy, okay? So let me remove this and let me walk you through this trade. So first things first, we went from bright green candles and a green uptrend. I'm up. This is only one contract I'm in, so I'm loving this right now. And we came up. And now we're breaking below the Maverick guide. I start to get the red background, but really what gave me the heads up on this trade is that we started flattening out and started getting gray candles, which is indecision or reversal. We start reversing down here, down confidence arrow, red background. We officially, folks, have a close below the Maverick guide. Again, when you're above the blue line, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. When you're above the blue line, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. Long above it, below it, you go short. Okay, so you get the picture. All right, bright green candles, reversal candles. Gray candles are reversal candles here. Closure below the Maverick guide, okay? 1, 2 down confidence arrows. Now, on top of that, let me show you. Oh, yeah, baby. Let me show you. See this? This is your Maverick Multi-X. Think of these as 5 traders. These are algorithms, but think of these as 5 traders, all with fundamental differences. They don't trade the same. They all have different preferences and biases and all that stuff. These 5 traders, T1 through T5 down here, are all voting across 6 time frames. Now, right now it's a Friday. Fridays aren't the greatest to trade, so I have them set for all low time frames except for the 60-minute. Now, the 60-minute is all bullish because look at this push up. But right now, Trader 1 through Trader 5 are all voting bearish on the 1-minute, all voting bearish on the 3-minute, all voting bearish for the most part on the 5-minute. We got one holdout here. And so instead of having 6 charts on my monitor, why don't I just have the Maverick Multi-X, a nice, neat little package here, and it's like trading with 5 other traders. I call this trading with training wheels. If you could be in the same room as 5 other expert traders, wouldn't you want to be? And getting their vote across multiple time frames? I mean, it's a beautiful thing, okay? All right, so I'm going to move my stop loss up a little bit here, but I don't want to crowd the recording, so I do apologize for that. This is a Friday. It's been sideways action. I'm not looking for the world. Look at this sideways action we had all morning long until we broke out to the top, to the upside. So I'm not looking for some mega move. I am looking for somewhere around here, okay? And we could chop along in this area for the rest of the day. I don't know. I don't have a red or pink candle. Would I love a pink candle? Yes. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Now, down here, look at this. This sunk down. But man, Fridays are like Fridays with no news, with the government shut down, all that fun stuff. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at it flush down. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at it flush down. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at it flush down. Okay? And this is like middle of the night trading. If I brought you back here, look at this. This is normal day trading. This is yesterday around lunchtime. We took a lot of this. Look at this thing. Ooh, all the way down. Unbelievable. We got a nice chunk of that yesterday. 2 trades. I think we cleared about $1,400 on the day. So yeah, so all I do is I let my indicators guide me. All right. We broke below the blue line. When you're above the blue line, which is our Maverick guide, when you're above it, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. When you're above it, you go long. Sorry, my cursor is, we are testing some pretty amazing stuff that we're about to come up with. So I'm stressing this computer to the max. We run multiple machines, and I'm stressing this one right now. I'm testing quite a few things in the background. Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders across 6 time frames. They're all voting bearish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and almost the 5 minute, and the 10 and the 15 are starting to turn. Okay. Maverick Trender has not popped off yet. I am waiting for that. That would be a beautiful thing if it does. But either way, I'm good. We're at the last minute of the 5 minute bar. So you know how I feel about that. I sit on my hands. I don't do anything the first and the last minute of a 5 minute bar. But look how the Maverick AI Pro is just guiding me. Bright green candles, all upside. This was a beautiful move this morning. We broke above the Maverick guide. We got a confidence arrow, and we just flew straight up. And we had bright green candles, and then now we got the reversal candles. We didn't just get a couple red candles. We got gray reversal candles. We got a down confidence arrow. And don't worry, when you get these indicators, we teach you how to use them. But we got a down confidence arrow, gray reversal candles, broke below the Maverick guide, red background, 5 other traders all voting bearish on the 1 minute, bearish on the 3 minute, almost all bearish on the 5 minute. And we're up about almost $1,200. We got another confidence arrow. Sorry, I'll try and zoom in here. I understand it's YouTube, so it's kind of tough to see sometimes. But we got still gray candles here. We're getting another confidence arrow that's starting to form right here, which is giving me what? Confidence. You know what I mean? And I'm not looking for the world here. I want to take it to right above where I feel like I might get some resistance. Okay? Support. Sorry, not resistance. Support. Resistance from hitting my take profit. So I'm just going to let the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X and the Maverick Trender guide me, right? Okay? So you can see it wants to push down. We have 1, 2 confidence arrows. We're below the Maverick guide. Remember, when you're above it, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. Above it, you go long. Below it, you go short. Trader 5 just voted bearish on the 5 minute. So we are now completely solid on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and the 5 minute bearish. So that is a beautiful thing right there. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, if you want to just look at your charts and you can tell what's going on behind the scenes, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. Right now, our lifetime members are getting $1,500 worth of amazing bonus indicators that you can only get by being a lifetime member. And we are about to raise the price of the lifetime membership because it is way too cheap right now. It is crazy inexpensive for what it can, the capability of it. Okay. So if you're thinking about the lifetime license, jump on. We've had so many monthly members upgrade because they know that the price increase is coming. And even the price increase, it's still a crazy bananas deal. I mean, it's unbelievable, the value. The Maverick Trender, this indicator right here, the only way to get it is to be a lifetime member, and I would never trade without it on my screen. Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders voting across 6 time frames. They're still bearish across 3 time frames. And man, let's get a nice push down. Let's hit our take profit. Fridays are just, you know, sometimes Fridays just trend really nice, but then other times Fridays are just sideways action and just, bleh, kind of boring, if you will. But I let my indicators guide me through these trades here. Okay, so we're just asking for a take profit right around this area. It's a little bit above this. So you have like this support area right there. Okay, that we need to get down to. So let me. All right. So I'm going to keep watching this trade. For it to potentially hit my take profit. If it starts to retrace back to the Maverick guide, I might just close it out for $1,000 and call it a day. And although I'm not copy trading right now, so that's okay, but big deal. So again, if you want clear vision on your charts, let the Maverick AI Pro walk you through what's happening on the charts and give you those heads up and give you that clear vision on your trading. Don't take my word for it, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come to our website. Read what our traders are saying. We have so many traders crushing it right now. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, don't take my word for it. Come read what they're saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. All right. I'm going to keep watching this trade. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your trading Friday and an amazing weekend. Thanks so much. Have a great day. MaverickIndicators.com.